Hi there. Thank you so much for looking at my exercise tracker. This is a Google Sheet and an Excel spreadsheet. This is the instructional video on how to use it. So at the beginning of the year, everyone wants to make their New Year's resolutions, and some people want to work out and exercise. This is a great way to track your exercise, your running, your walking, your lifting weights, anything that you do to be healthy. So I'll just explain how this works. At the very beginning, when you get the sheet, it's going to ask you to click on the link and then make a copy. You're going to, yes, I want to make a copy, and then it'll probably lead you to this tab here. So there's 3 tabs on the bottom. When I'm done with this, it'll have the link to the YouTube video that you can refer to again. This is a sample of how to use this exercise tracker, and then this one is a blank one for you to go to. Okay, so here we're just going to put the date, so 1/6, and then you can put the type. So if you're going to do strength, if you're going to do cardio, if you're going to do core exercises, however you'd like to do it, then you would write in. So say I'm going to do cardio today, and then today I'm going to just go for a brief stroll, and then this part is sets and reps, and then the next part is weight used. Of course, that's going to be for if you're lifting weights. But for me, so I'm just going to put NA for those, time in minutes. So say I'm going to go for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to have go for half a mile. And this needs to be fixed. There we go. Okay, so this is, say I'm going to be walking a half mile, say I'm going to walk 1, and then the intensity, light, moderate, or intense. If you happen to want to change this, if you don't like the way I did it, hit this edit button here. This is the Google Sheets version. By the way, you'll hit the edit button here, and then if you want to say, something like that, then you hit done. You want to apply to all, and then now everything's going to be in the drop-down box if you wanted to do that. And then calories burned. So say you burned 100 calories there, and notes, So this would be a great place to write your notes, how you're feeling that day, anything that happened, injuries, anything that you want to write. Notes are great. If you don't like the color, you can highlight this, and there's this little fill color button. Change it to yellow, whatever you want to do, that's fine. And then so you'll see at the top here, I've got things that tally everything up. So say if we walked for 60 minutes and we went 3 miles, it's going to calculate the total number of miles here if you're into exercise walking. Total number of hours exercised. This is going to calculate everything in minutes and then divide it by 60. So that's your hours. And then total calories burned, you've got that here. That's just kind of fun. If you, hopefully you like the way I have it done. So this also has, so if we'll go to the blank exercise tracker, the intensity for the drop-down box is there. And then this goes all the way down and has 1,000 rows. If you want to happen to add more rows, so say if we wanted to add 10 more rows at the bottom, it's going to do this. What you have to do is highlight this little row here, and then there's a little dot here, and this drags it down, and that's how you add more rows if you need to. So that's essentially how it works. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. All of my sheets are either on my website or on Etsy. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a holler. Thank you so much, and good luck to you, and I hope you hit your goals. Have a great day.